Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove song from Instagram post. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into it. As you can see, I have posted this picture with a song. You can see at the top there is a song playing in the background. Now, if you want to remove the song, tap on these three dots. You will see a bunch of options. Tap on Edit. When you tap on it, you will notice there is no way of removing the song. If you don't want to listen to the song, you can tap on this little sound icon, and thus you won't hear the song. The only thing you can do is to delete the post and repost it without song. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.